Hello, sir. When I'm doing purchasing order, when I'm posting purchasing order, I got a message that your document is put your document on hold because you are having some faulty document or faulty program something.
Which T code was it?
Purchasing order. ME21N.
Till now, you have not created your purchasing order.
Yeah, sir. I tried to connect. I was having that error that you created that valuation class. After that, the very next day, this error happened, and I tried to contact with lab faculty. They didn't responded, and after that, there was my brother's wedding also, so I was not able to do something.
No, at least
Although
you try. You get on with your FISD for now. Yeah, get on with FISD. You will be able to
okay,
do that. Okay.
so I just I should drop the what integration.
Yeah, FISD.
FISD, FIMM integration should I drop and start with the
Leave
SD?
it for now. Leave it for now. Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I have one question,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's been I think 2 weeks. I
Your
didn't receive
CV.
any
Your CV.
response.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I wanted to speak to you on that. Yesterday also I thought you would raise it. The
Okay.
point here is I've seen. So it's nothing mentioned about SAP there.
I
Correct.
have met.
So
I
I
have met.
see. I see that you are working for Wells Fargo for 10
Yes,
years.
sir.
Correct. 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So if you can project like you have a internal team, SAP internal team in Wells Fargo, within Wells
Yes, sir.
Fargo.
Okay, sir.
So you have to remodel your CV saying that yes, I work in Wells Fargo, but in an internal SAP team as a consultant.
Okay,
Correct.
sir. I'll do that, sir.
So
I'll
I
edit
will.
that.
So I wanted to tell you that I will share the sample. So you want to put experience or you want to go as a fresher?
No, I want to put experience
Experience, na?
because
But you
it's
this
10
entire
years, sir.
it's full 10 years. You don't do that. What you have
Okay.
to say is you work in a normal role there. Whatever you are working, say that you worked for 6.5 years there. Then you got an
Okay.
opportunity to work in an internal SAP support role. So you shifted
Okay.
on that side.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Correct?
Sure,
Right.
I'll do
I'll
that.
send you the CVs for that. Okay.
Please, sir. Please. Okay. Thank you.
All this cannot be written in mail, na? That's why I said. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
actually, when we are creating O2C cycle in step number 3, that is the T code number VF01, we didn't get accounting document is yet to be created. We got that error, sir.
Yeah, the same thing. That is what your VK0A. So you have to check it. That connection
Yeah,
is
we
missing.
checked this. All the assignment was correct only, but still we didn't get it. Finally, we went to OBA7 and we created 52 series. Then that error got resolved, sir. Is
Yes.
that correct way of?
See, understand. Okay, now I got the problem. See, you are at a senior level, right? So you should be able to understand. You should be in a situation to analyze what could be the problem. See, what happened is somebody, see, when you are doing the invoice, what is the document type we are getting? RE document, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, OBS7. If someone they went like this RE document, and then for RE if they changed this to 52, correct or not? Correct. If they
Okay.
change this to 52, what will happen? The system will say it is not there, no?
Yeah, sir.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, you should try to understand the system. System is like a human being. It is saying, I have a problem. Yeah. You have to read the problem, understand the problem. So this is
Okay.
OBS7, normal level. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So now next
Sir,
yes.
sir, I just need a small suggestion. Like Wells Fargo is financial institute.
Yes, exactly.
And
That's why you cannot say like directly like that, right? I'm working as a SAP consultant in with Wells Fargo. You cannot say that. That's why
yes,
you
sir.
have to say we have an internal support team is there. A
Yes, sir.
small team is there, internal support team to look after lower level issues.
Okay,
Once
sir, when sir,
Hmm.
there is an internal job posting, so there I have searched and I found that SAP, this is USA based company, so their people are handling. But what I'm not getting a single idea, so at least I can mention in my resume according to that.
Doesn't
So can
matter. No. You see, if there is any clue you are getting, it's fine. But you have known, you have understood that there is something somewhere related to SAP in Wells Fargo, correct?
yes, sir,
That
yes, sir,
itself is the clue, correct? So,
yes, sir.
so every company, any company, they will have a little team will be there, right? Not that everything is pushed to the IT company. No.
Yes,
So
sir.
minimum super user level, they will filter the issues. Correct.
Okay,
The role could sometimes they call it as a business analyst. Correct.
okay.
Sometimes they call him as a support role. Yeah. But solution design specialist they will call him. There are different names, but end of the day, what he will be doing is he will be working as a liaison between the client company and the IT company. So
Okay,
he's
sir.
not exactly consultant, he's not exactly user, he's in the middle. So he knows
Okay, sir.
50% work of
Business consultant is
business
also that.
business consultant, yes, something like that, but you should not say that word.
Okay,
Business
sir.
consultant is somebody who will work on the improving the business process.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Analyst, sir.
We are
Business analyst.
business analyst, business consultant is somebody who will work on improving the business process.
Because
Here,
I am
consultant.
already analyst. I'm already analyst. I'm not business consultant. I'm not that.
So what you have to say is the same role, whatever you are calling financial analyst, whatever analyst, you will say, yes, I've been working like this, but it is in this kind of role.
Okay, sir.
And you have to justify it. Correct? Properly.
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Okay. That
So
justifying is the main work actually.
no. Whatever you are learning here, you apply. So think that our client is not Tesla Energy. Think that our client is Wells Fargo. Got it? So if you have to
Okay.
do all this for Wells Fargo, and then there is an IT team separately there, and some part you are playing a role there. There are small issues you are handling.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Done.
But
Okay, sir. Thank
then
you.
it will be
Yes.
more clear.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. So now we will go ahead with
Sir, please request, sir, please forward me after this class or whenever you have time. Just please forward me that other
resumes.
resume you have mentioned. Yes, sir.
Sure. Yes.
Even I also wanted, sir.
You mail me, ma, because I don't have your emails. Now you know,
Yeah,
na,
yeah,
I
sure.
can solve
Yeah,
that
yeah.
FIC.
Yes, sir, I will.
Anyhow, I will do once we am discussing the project. After this, I will provide you all that. So whatever I discuss with her, the same kind of discussion we will have at the time of project. I will guide you all.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now put the heading product costing. Now, standard cost estimate. Yeah. So now what is the standard cost estimate? Assessing the standard cost of, yeah, we are doing this. First, we are doing the assessing the standard cost of each unit of finished product, finished good, yeah, finished good. Okay. Now next. So to do that, first we are talking about raw material, na? Raw material, yeah. So how many raw materials we are having? Two raw materials, TEE RM1, TEE RM2. Correct. So this we have already have. Next, so two raw materials we have created. Next, I need to create one finished goods material master also, right? Yeah. So we have TEFG1 is there already. Yes. Okay. What else we need? We need BOM. BOM we need to do, right? So bill of material we have to create. No. Create bill of material. Write down as a step. Create bill of material for TEEFG1. So
The
here
first
also
step, sir.
create raw material master records. Material, not raw material. Create material master records for these three.
No kid.
Now because I have already created, not required. Okay, no.
Excuse me, sir. T code.
T code, which one? First one, huh?
MM0.
Yes, sir.
MM0, MM01. Bomb, the T code is CS01. No doubt, CS01. Okay, go to CS01 now.
Sir.
You want to note down?
Yes, sir. You can carry on, sir.
Right. So now I'm going to create the bomb. So go to CS01 /n CS01. Let's go. Now here I'm going to give the bomb usage, right? So TEE for which material? TEFG1 material. And bomb usage is what? I'm using it for production. Okay. Production. Give one. Okay. Production. Okay. Note down production. Now press enter. Okay. Now here I'm going to give component. Okay. Which component? TEE RM1, TEE RM2. Okay. Quantity how much? 1 kg, 1 kg. Okay. 1 kg, 1 kg. It's okay. Note down. Note down.
Sir, bomb we need to create the quantity one. For how much we use the total quantity?
To manufacture this finished good, I need these two raw materials. How many quantities? 1 kg.
Okay.
Correct? That is what is the bomb. Simple bomb I am creating, right? Usually bomb is very, very complicated. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible because this is a very complicated topic in itself. Lengthy and complicated. Save. Now that is the step one, right? Next note down, make one more, write down, make third one, make raw material consumption account as consumption account. That is, I think 4,50,000 we have created now as cost element. Yeah, okay. No, go live. Okay, so now already I think we have created na /NFS00. Here raw material consumption account is there na, this one.
Yes.
Consumption, okay, ours is TE company code, right? Now here we have 4,50,000 consumption account is there na, this one. So this we have already created as a cost element.
Yes, sir.
Let me check once. Yes, already this is done. So if it is not done, you do it once. Next, so this is the raw material side I have done already. Okay, next. So here, what is that we have taken? Raw material cost. Okay, next, production cost. How it will come? So put the heading production cost. Production cost. Put the heading production cost. Step number 1. Create production cost center. Create production cost center. Correct. Production cost center. Okay. Now already we created na P100. But the problem here is there is some data in the P100. That is the problem. Correct. So if you go to KSB1, I think we have lot of data here, right? P100 if I give, and if I take all my cost elements, I have some data transactions already posted, right? Yeah. Yes, there is the data,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So all this data will disturb our product costing. Correct? Okay, so what I will do now, all this, we don't want all this, no? So what I will do to avoid this, I will create one more production cost center, okay? To avoid this. So what I will do now, I will create one more, something like a PRD1, something like that I will create, okay? Production 1 cost center I will create. So this is production cost center I will create. Okay, now, note on step number 2. Note on. So we will, how to create na KS01, right?
Yes, sir.
Now how to create, right? KS01, correct? KS01. You go like this, go and create the cost center /n KS01. Okay, KS01, give the cost center. What is my cost center? PRD1. Okay. Okay, press enter. This is my, right. If there is no data in P100, you can use that also. But because I have the data, I am creating a new one. Cost center category is production. Hierarchy area is TEE, and then currency is INR. Okay, note down. Okay, right. Okay. Now click on the save option. So yellow warning, press enter. Now done. So this is the new cost center I created. Next is step number 2. Step number 2 is planning for the, so do the planning for the cost center. Do the cost center planning. So now previously also I discussed cost center planning. Cost center planning. The take code is KP06. Okay, note down. So what is the cost for that cost center? I will take like right? Cost for the cost center. So go to KP06 /n KP06. You go like that. Now here version 0 I am giving. Then from period. What is from period? From period. Today is what, 11th period, na? To 11th. And then what is the cost element I am giving? Any cost element, right? 4,01,000 wages I am giving. Form based. Okay, note down. So I'm doing the cost center planning for the cost center. Planning for the cost center.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, for this configuration, we have to do completely FISD, sir. We can continue with this, sir.
You need FISD.
Okay, sir.
Because we are building the structure, no? So somewhere if this connection is not there, you will have problem.
It means the last 2 steps are it's giving error, so we can continue this. I asked.
No. You cannot do this. No?
Okay.
You need little, those whatever connections are there, we will be using here. So because cost is coming, raw materials and everything is coming from there.
Okay, sir.
Now click on the overview. So here, what is my cost? So I'm saying my cost is 72,000. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so the total cost for this cost element is 72,000. I'm giving like this. Okay, no doubt. Now click on the save option. And that is the step number 2, right? Next, step number. So how much is the cost I have given? I have given 72,000 is the cost. Correct. Cost, total cost. Correct. Next, step number 3. Step number 3 is create a cost element for the cost element. So create activity create secondary cost element for activity allocation. You know, the secondary cost element we created now when we are doing assessment. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Same way
KA06.
with KA06. Correct. We will go create cost element, secondary cost element for collecting the activity cost. Okay, create secondary cost element for activity allocation. Okay, yes. Now, so go to KA06 slash and KA06. Okay, so now I'm giving my cost element. What is my cost element? I'm giving some number, yeah. Say because it is 43 na 43 cost element it is, so I will give 4300, enter, and then this is my activity cost allocation cost element. Activity allocation cost element category is 43. Okay, note down everybody. Activity allocation cost element equal.
This will come under internal order.
Internal order.
Oh, this activity allocation. Is this cost center or related to cost center or internal order?
See here, if you go to the drop down here, you can see what is it? 42 is for assessment. All these are secondary only.
Okay.
Correct or not? 43 is for internal activity allocation. So why you are creating a duplicate cost, secondary cost? This is for assessment.
For assessment.
This one for internal activity allocation. Yeah, activity costs. Okay, that's why I'm taking 43 na. That's why I'm creating 4300. Any number you can create a secondary. Any
Yes, sir.
number. Okay, note down. Save. So that is about step number 3. Now step number 4. Step number 4 is create, note down, create activity type. Activity type. Okay, create activity type, that is KL01. Note down. Yeah, so one activity I have to create, like painting, drilling, alloying. Correct, something like that I have to create.
Yes, sir.
Create activity type KL01. So go to KL01 slash n KL01. Yeah, you go like this, give the activity type, something like TEE machine hour activity. Give like this, press enter. So this is my TEE machine hour. I'll give like this, machine hour activity. Okay, this is my TEE machine hour activity. Machine hour activity. Okay, now so activity unit is activity unit is hours, na?
Yes.
Hours. Okay, let me take it as hours. Hours. This is my hour, na? Yeah, HR hours. Okay, now cost center categories. Which cost centers I am going to use? Star, all cost centers. Okay, I can use it for all costs. So give like this. Then activity type category. Type category is manual entry, manual allocation. Okay, let me select one. Give like this. Okay, then we are giving. Okay, that's it. That's it. No down. So we will create this like this. Allocation cost element I should give na important. What is that we created? 4300. Okay, no doubt.
What is one, sir?
That is manual entry, manual allocation. Okay. So automatic allocation will not happen. We will give manual.
Sir,
Note on everybody.
hello.
Yes.
So this is our job.
This is we have
Steps.
to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So controlling level. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, right. So now save this. The activity type I have created. Now next step number 5. Step number 5 is do the activity planning. Activity planning. Yeah, do the activity planning. The T code is KP26. KP26. Do the activity plan. So here, but before that, I should do the activity type I have created now. So planning for the activity. Okay. So go to KP26. How many hours of activity I am doing? Say I am doing what it is 7,200 hours of activity I am doing. Right? Whatever is the activity. Yeah, whole month I am doing 7,200 hours of activity. Okay, let us do the activity plan. So go to /n KP26 go line. Okay, now press enter. Now click on the overview. So here you are giving the cost center and activity type. Yes, note down. Okay. Okay, now click on the overview. Now here, plan activity. What is my plan activity? 7,200 hours. Okay, I'm giving. So my plan activity hours is 7,200 hours. Plan activity cost is 72,000 rupees. Correct. Now next.
Yes, sir.
No. So click on the save option here. Next. That is the step number 6.
Sir, show me again, sir.
Show me what?
Activity planning.
After overview, sir. Yeah.
This is activity planning. Huh? Just 1 minute. This is not activity planning. Huh? This is KP06. This is cost planning.
Cost center.
Correct. Yeah, KP26 I have to do now. So here, click on the overview, and here I have given activity planning. 7,200 hours. Okay, hours. Save. So now next step is step number 6. Calculation. Calculate the machine hour rate. Yeah, that is KSPI. Yes, note down KSPI. So how we will get the machine hour rate? 72,000 by 7,200. You will get like that. Okay, note down. Right. So now go to machine hour rate, go to KSPI / n KSPI. Go like this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in fifth step activity planning, we have given only period of 11 to 11. So every month we have to create.
Yeah,
this.
monthly we do na. Yes.
So changing of version 0 to 1, 2, 3.
No. Version will be same. Period will change.
Okay. So
Right,
after
period,
completion of the
period.
11, we have to give 12 from
Yes.
to 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
Execute now. You will see now. So what is my rate per hour? How I got this rate per hour? 10 rupees per hour. How I got this rate per hour? So 70,000 divided by 7,200. I got 10 rupees per hour. Correct or not? Yeah. Right. That is to calculate the machine hour rate, right? KSPI, right? 10 rupees per hour. Yes, no. This is what we have done, no.
Once repeat this step, no?
Calculating the machine hour rate, na? So this is my cost. This is my cost per. This is my total cost.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my total activity. So then what is the rate per hour? 72,000 divided by 7,200. Then that is 10 rupees per hour.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Good. Next. Step number 7. Step number 7. Step number 7. Create work center. Work center. That is CR01. CR01. Create work center.
Sir, can you please show me once again the sixth one? I just got confused.
See, you have to go to, you don't have to do anything. Just you have to go to, so here, okay, let me go back now. It will ask, do you want to post the results? Yes. Okay, now again I will check. So you will go to KSPI. Then you will give the version, periods you will give, test run you will give, and you will execute. Okay. Now you can see quantity is this much, price is this much, right? You are getting that. Correct? Yeah. So 10 rupees per hour you are getting. Correct. So when you go back, it will say, do you want to post? Yes. Correct. Then press send. Okay. So 7,000. So how you got this 10 rupees? 70,000 divided by 7,000. Clear? 10 rupees per hour. So this is my total cost. This is my total hours. Correct. So 72,000 divided by 7,200. We are getting 10 rupees per hour. Okay. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. 1 minute. Yeah. So what is that we are doing here? So activity rate per hour, right? 72,000 divided by 7,200. That will be 10 rupees per hour. That is machine hour rate, right? This is what is this? This is the machine hour rate. PEE, machine hour activity rate.
Understand the 7,200, how it's coming?
7,200.
How it's coming, sir? No, 7,200 hours.
Okay.
Cost production.
In this, if you see, when we are in the KP06, we have given 72,000 rupees, right? Correct? If you observe step
Yes.
number 2, we have given the cost na?
Yes.
In step number 5, what we have given? We have given the activity number of total hours. Hours of total, yeah, 7,000 hours of total activity. So they worked for 7,200 hours in that month. Hours means, you know, na, time. I'm talking about time. So they worked for how many hours? 7,000. Which activity it is? Machine hour activity. We created na here.
Yeah.
We created one activity na. What is the activity name? PEE, machine hour activity.
Yes.
So this activity, they have done how many hours in that month?
72,000.
So how much is the cost?
72,000.
So then
10
what is
rupees.
the rate per hour?
10.
10 rupees.
That is the rate per hour.
Sir, in step number 2, we take only one cost element. Okay?
You can take many.
Okay.
If that activity includes many
Related to
costs,
production cost, we take a number of elements.
correct. So if that activity includes multiple cost elements, then you have to take
Yes,
all.
sir.
No?
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if
Yeah,
it is labor,
we take
power,
only one.
machine, everything.
That's why I got do.
Good. Yeah, you understood now? So this is the rate per hour.
Okay.
Rate per hour. How I got this? I divided this by this. Clear? Is it clear now?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, in step number 2, sir, if we given 3 elements, I mean 72,000, 82,000, 92,000, then in 5th step activity planning, we have to give 1 or 3.
All
three
three
bills.
total divided by this.
Divided by 700 to
Correct.
200.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now, so go to now next is the work center. Na? Work center means a center where we are incurring when we are doing some work. So now you know cost center na, where we are incurring some cost. You know profit center na, where we are generating the profit. Now work center means what? Where we are doing some work. So that is work center, right? We don't create. This is the PP consultant job I'm talking. So here, so we are going to create the work center is not our area. Okay, let's go and create.
Sir, is this what we are doing is actuals or planned, sir? I mean, budget or actual, sir?
This is only planning, no? All this is only planning.
Okay.
We are not at actual level.
We don't do actuals. I mean, we don't do actuals or just budget.
See, what is the I said here? This is the planning. So this is what is this? This is total
cost.
Planned cost.
Okay.
And here also I said activity planning. This is the total planned activity.
Okay.
So this is the rate per hour planned.
Okay.
All these values we have taken as random values.
That's what my question is.
Random only, no, we have to take something. No?
So again, we have to do actuals also, sir?
Of course, no, when you do manufacturing, actuals will come. No?
Yes.
Correct. So we want to arrive at the cost of our finished product. So we are doing the standard. What we are doing? We are doing the standard cost.
Standard cost estimate. Okay.
How do you get the standard cost when you don't have any plan in place?
Yes. Yesterday I was asking.
That is
I
what.
just started out. Okay, sir.
Okay. No. Yes. Okay.
This is the target cost, right? Yesterday what we have said.
We are arriving at the target cost. So raw material we have taken, production cost also we are taking, one by one we are arriving at the target cost. Okay. Yes. So now CR01. So what is CR01? Work centers. Let's go and create CR01. Create work center. What is my work center name? TEE work center 1. Note down like this. Work center category is what is it? Machine or labor? What it is? I'm saying machine. Okay, note down. Okay, click on the basic data. Now here I will call it as TEE work center 1. Okay, now usage is how much? Usage I am giving it as usage is usage is 9 all time 009 usage. Okay, now standard value key you will select as normal production, SAP normal production. Okay, press enter. Now here I will select, note down everybody, note down this, then I will proceed. Note down this, then I will. So noted everybody, then you will go to machine.
No, sir.
Noted, sir.
Yes, sir.
So go to here machine, because we mentioned machine. Select the key. Select here as 001 SAP example. 001.
So 001 means?
So this is it is not our screen. I'm just doing it. Work center, we are not at all related.
Okay, sir.
So now go to costing. Now cost center, this is our area. Okay, what is our cost center?
PRD1.
PRD1. Okay, now which activity we are talking about? Which activity? Machine hour active. Okay, activity unit is hours. Okay, then which formula will apply? So it is the production machine. So let me see what is the activity that I can apply, right? SAP production machine time. Yeah, select 002. SAP 002. Okay, give like. Okay, then system will understand that it is related to production and machine hours. Okay, give like this, exactly give like. So this is lengthy configuration, yeah. So this will be probably till Friday or so. We will be doing just configuration only. So maybe during weekend we can run the standard cost estimate and then actuals. We can do all that. So we'll be keeping on doing all this. Save. So that is step number 7. Next, step number 8. So what is the work center we have created? TEE work center 1 I created. Next, step number 8.
It's
8
quite
is
vast.
3. Sorry?
The topic is very, I mean, it's very, vast. It's big.
Very, we have just started. We have not even completed 10%. Still 90% to come. Massive.
Does
Okay.
people remember everything, sir? Is that possible?
Well, it depends on the practice. If you do it couple of times, it will be okay. Because first time you are listening, it is like that. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so go to CA01 /CA01. routing I am creating. Now here we give the material and everything, then press enter. Now here you will press enter, you will give the usage. What is the usage? Production, na? Yes, production only. Then status released. Okay? So you select like this, 4 released general. Yeah, released general, give like this. Note down. Note down.
Sir, what is routing?
Routing we discussed yesterday. Routing is, it contains the list of all the activities along with their hours. Right. Yeah, here.
Okay, sir, I took the screenshot.
Good. Now next.
Yes.
So where are we now? We have created now. We are giving, click on the operations. So now here I am giving like this. This is my work center. Correct. So okay, let me give work center. What is my work center? PEE work center 1. Yeah. Control key you will give. This is my PP01. Yeah. Select PP01. In-house manufacturing. This one, PP01, in-house manufacturing. Okay, press enter. So when you press enter, you should get your activity hours. Okay, so now here you see activity we got now. You should get like that. Okay. Right. So for this operations, what is the activity? So how many hours?
Not showing, sir.
Sorry?
Hours is not showing.
Hours means?
Hours is not showing, sir.
You are doing right now?
Yes, sir.
You're doing along with the class?
No, sir.
And then, yeah. So here machine is what? Machine 5 hours of, so you are like this. Okay, 5 hours of machine hour activity. Okay, give like this. No doubt. You have to click on the operations, then it will show. So if you give the work center here, then only it will show. If you don't give the work center, it will not. Here, work center I have given. Na? Give the work center, press enter, give the PP01 here, then it will show.
What is PP01?
In-house manufacturing. You see where you are manufacturing? You are manufacturing in-house, right? In-house means inside the company. PP01 is what? In-house production. Correct? External processing means you are sending the goods outside for manufacturing. Correct? So we are doing in-house only now. That's okay. Right. So with this we have completed the production related configuration, production cost related configuration. I said 5 hours. 5 hours na, so routing was saved with this number for this finished good, right? So understand here what did I say yesterday? I took like this na, 2 raw material costs and then production cost is 50 rupees na. So now I said 5 hours into 10 rupees. So I'm going to get 50 rupees. So basically I am planning to get something like this. Okay. Yeah, this is my planned standard cost price. Okay. Right. So, okay, we will stop here for today. Tomorrow I will again go on to overhead cost. Right. So out of 3 costs what we have, raw material cost I have configured, production cost I configured. Now overhead cost I have to. Okay. This we will do tomorrow. Okay.
Hold on.
Right then. So we will continue tomorrow, guys.
Scroll down, sir.
Scroll down. Okay.
Sir, are we doing cost accounting?
Yes.
So overheads also there will be direct, I mean indirect overheads, like again in that also raw materials and all will be there, like indirect raw materials, indirect labor. Oh.
Yeah. So all that, yes.
Oh.
So we have to prepare the cost sheet. Cost sheet we have na cost sheet that we have.
At the
Those
end
kind
of
of.
okay.
Correct.
Then why it is called controlling? You said controlling means management related. How it is like costing related to that?
See, management means what? Management will take the decisions, na? Correct. To take the decisions, they need information, na?
So
one of
you
the
teach
information.
ratio analysis also?
No, not ratio analysis.
Uh,
Here, ratio analysis is a small area.
okay.
Here we are arriving at the cost price of the raw material. Finished goods cost price.
Okay.
You need or you don't need? You need.
Yeah, we need it. We need it.
That is what we are doing through the SAP system.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So cost accounting does not mean only ratios. Cost accounting means you are arriving at the costs of so many things.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, guys, we will meet tomorrow then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.